Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw your Stellar cryptocurrency from Bitrue to your Phantom wallet in 2025. Whether you're new to crypto or just need a quick refresh, this step-by-step tutorial will help you move your assets securely and efficiently. Stellar is a popular digital currency for fast payments, and getting it into your Phantom wallet means you can manage it more independently. But remember, crypto transactions involve risks, so always double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need a Bitrue account with Stellar in it, your Phantom wallet set up and funded if needed, and the exact wallet address for Stellar. Phantom is primarily for Solana, but it supports various assets through integrations, so confirm that Stellar is compatible. Double-check the official docs if you're unsure. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Bitrue account using your email, phone, or whatever method you set up. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets or Assets section and find your Stellar balance. Step 2. Navigate to the Withdrawal page. Look for a Withdraw button next to your Stellar asset. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to select the cryptocurrency, in this case, Stellar XLM. Step 3. Enter your Phantom wallet address. This is crucial. Copy it directly from your Phantom app to avoid any typos. Phantom will show you a unique address for receiving assets, so paste it carefully. You'll also need to specify the amount you want to withdraw, making sure it's above any minimum limits set by Bitrue. Step 4. Review and confirm. Bitrue will ask you to verify the transaction details, including network fees and estimated arrival time. Enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already for added security. Once you're happy, hit confirm, and the withdrawal will process. After that, keep an eye on your Phantom wallet. Transactions can take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it shows up, you're all set. In conclusion, withdrawing Stellar from Bitrue to Phantom is simple if you follow these steps carefully. Always prioritize security by using hardware wallets where possible and staying updated with the latest 2025 regulations. If you run into issues, check Bitrue's support or community forums. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more crypto tips. Let's keep building that digital future together.